So far, we're done with room model, room controller, and now it's the time to create rooms view. But first, let's create a partial view for our form to create and edit a room. Open App, Views, Rooms. So under the Rooms folder, I'm just create a new file, underscore form.html.erb. Alright, so remember the underscore in front of the file name is for the partial view. Now in the partial view, first I'm going to create a div with a panel, and also we're going to say panel default. And here as a panel, we're going to create the panel heading, and also for the panel body. Alright, so for the panel heading, just say create your beautiful place. Okay, so inside the panel body, let's create a container just like this. Alright, so here is a place that we're going to create our form. So to create a form, I'm going to say form for and room do F, and don't forget the and here. Alright, so we just got a form. Now inside the form, we're going to create the first row. Now, so inside the first row, we're going to say call MD4 and also we make a select classes. We're going to modify the select classes in a bit, but for now we're going to create the form group, and first let's start with the label, and this one is home type. Here for the select, we're going to use the f.select home type, and we're going to pass an array of value. The first one we're going to say apartment, and this one is apartment as well. Now the first value is the key, and the second is a value. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing. This one is the house, and the value will be house, and the key will be bed and breakfast, and the value will be bed and breakfast as well. Okay, now for the ID, we're going to say home type. For the prompt, we're going to say select. Yep, and what else? Okay, for the class, and we just say form control. Fine. Actually, you can do just like this. It's a different way to set things up. So, yep. Now we're going to create another two selections on the same row, and which are room type and accommodate, which is exactly the same as we done with the home type, except the list would be different. So for the room type, we got end type, private room, and shared room. For accommodate, we got different value from 1 to 6+. and simple as that, and save it. Now, because we're going to use this form in a new and edit page, so open rooms news.html.erb, and I'll just remove this one, and instead we're going to say render form. That's it. And exactly the same thing for the edit.html.erb. Remove this one. There's it. Open your terminal and let's restart the server. Open your web browser, and now if you going to rooms/new, okay, let's see what's happening. See that? It's require you to sign up, because remember that we got the authentication user in the rooms controller. So because this one is a new action, so that's why it requires you to sign up or sign in. Now just click on sign in with Facebook. Okay, so we just log it in, and now we got our panel here. We got a panel heading, and inside the panel body we got a first row, and inside the first row we got home type 1/3 of the width, the room type, and the accommodate. Now we get different value. Awesome. Now back to our project folder. Just open form.html.erb. We're going to close this one, and we're going to create another row. So inside this row, I'm going to create another 2 selection for the bedrooms and bathroom. And as you can see, there's nothing new. We got the bedroom 1, 2, 3, 4 plus, and the bathroom the same 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. Next, we're going to create different rows, and we need to display the text field and text area for listing name, summary, and address. Let's do it now. Now just close this one, so easy to read. And again, row. And inside this one, we're going to create a div from group. So nothing new here. Label, and this one say listing name, and we got the f.text field, and for this we're going to say listing name, and we got a placeholder would say listing name. Alright, now for the class we're going to use the form control. Alright, save it. Now I'm going to create another one for the summary, but for the summary, this one is not listing name, it is summary. For a summary, we're going to use the text area because it's a text, right? And this one is summary. And placeholder, we're going to say, well, I think we might need to put something more descriptive. So instead of saying summary, just say something like tell about your house. And this one, instead of saying listing name, just say be clear. And that's creative. Alright. Just feel free to put whatever you want. Okay, so for the text area, let's say rows. We decide 5 rows. Yeah, just say that. And the last one would be address. Okay, and this one is address. Placeholder, we're going to say what is your address. Okay, that's pretty much done, and now I'm going to close this one. Okay, now it's time to create some common amenities. And again, I'm going to create another row. And this one's say div call md4. And inside this, we're going to create a form group. And I'm going to use a checkbox, and this one say is TV. Alright, now the next one would be checkbox is kitchen. This one say kitchen. So for this one, say internet. Okay, the same row. Oops. We're going to create exactly the same thing, but different value. Now this one, it should be heating, and A. Alright, so this one is by A. Conditioning. Cool. What else do we have left? We got the price as well, so let's do that. So, and again we got the div call md4 div from group, and now for the label we're going to say nightly price. Alright, and I'm going to use the input group, add on this one $, and inside here we're going to use the text field, and this one for the price. For the placeholder, we say example $100, and for the class, the cost, it should be the form group. Yep. Now the last one will be the row. And div form group. And we're going to use the checkbox. And that should be active, right? Active. Okay, so we're done with the fill, and now it's time to put the save button, and I'm going to say div actions, and this one should be f submit. We call that one save. The style-sheet class would be btn primary. Okay, cool. Open job web browser and hit refresh. Wow, looks much better. Okay, so we got a home type, we got a bedroom, bathroom, and we got listing name. Okay, we got summary and address, and here is the checkbox. And it looks like this one we got is the wrong one. Something wrong with this one, but we're going to fix this in a bit. Now back to our project. Just open the price path. Okay, so here is not form group, it's just form control. Alright, save it. Back to our web browser and hit refresh. Okay, now it looks much better. Okay, so that's it for this session. It's pretty much easy, right? In the next one, we'll be adding some style sheet to make our page looks more elegant. And I'll see you then.